So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 50,312. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. So you can change the information that's displayed there. For various bits of driving data, on the driving data menu, we've got an assist systems menu, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are over here. On the left-hand side, we have our stereo controls, and behind the steering wheel here, cruise control for the car. Into the center next, you'll find the main touchscreen. We're on the main menu here. You can access everything you can see on the main menu, for example, your radio, or you can use the buttons down the right and left-hand sides to access, again, your radio. This car's got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button, and there's a number of ways you can do so, and they include streaming it via Bluetooth audio, once you paired your phone, that is, which is done by following the instructions that you see on screen. You can connect up your phone for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. MirrorLink will allow you to project certain Volkswagen-friendly links up onto this screen, should you wish to. Working our way down, we then have air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. You can turn your air conditioning off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. We've got a heated rear screen, 2 USB inputs and some storage just there. The gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox. This button turns the stop and start on and off. With that light showing, the system is turned off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. And then lastly, we have a 12-volt charging socket and 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.